Note making is a skill. Since the since the question here arises that what is the need to make notes? There are so reasons. First of all, we cannot make notes without thinking about what we are reading. Note making helps us to understand the material we are studying. It means that note making helps us uh, to understand the material we are studying. Number second reason is that why there is need of note making. That is the reason is that we tend to remember things better when we write it down. Note making makes it very easy to remember the things. And number third reason is note making skills help us to plan a longer piece of writing like an essay. When we are going to write an essay or any longer piece of writing, first of all we should make a note that will help us to develop later from this note making the this essay or whatever it is. Well made notes help us to revise our subjects more efficiently. If we have in an effective way made our notes, it will help us to revise the subjects or the topics more efficiently. Note making helps us to classify information. It means note making, why it is important. Now the question is that what note making is. It is an important reading skill. Actually, road making is a reading skill. It is required for studies and research work. And the key sub skills uh, essential for it are when we are going to make a note from a given text, we have to first of all locate the main ideas, information in the text. Then we have to identify the supporting and hidden underlying ideas or information. After that, we are again locating specific ideas and information in the text. Then, whatever there leaves, that is unessential, that is unimportant, that is not significant, we have to leave out this one. That is unnecessary part of the text. And tips for note making, how what we have to do when we are going to make a note. First of all, read the given passage slowly and carefully to comprehend, means to understand the main ideas or information in the passage. First of all, if we are asked to make a note from a of a given text, we have to read this text slowly and carefully in order to understand it. Then we have to read again slowly to understand its various associated ideas, information given in the text. After that, all unessential details should be left out, that is, they should not be written. And then we have to it is not necessary that we can write complete sentence. And recognizable abbreviated contractions, symbols, short forms like relay for railway is allowed, must be used wherever possible. And rest we will discuss tomorrow.